Hi, Diana here with Minnesota to Mexico. Just letting you know that just looked up, noticed this the first day we moved in. Talk about God watching over you. Oh, it's funny. Oh, okay. So here's our landlord's house. The road, the dirt road. This street is unusual, folks. And then, if you look close, hey, how about some boats for sale? This is the side yard. This is the stairways going down. They will be replacing the that spiral staircase. This is a huge tree, and it has little green parrots in them. They're little, they're green, and sorry, this camera is not built for little green parrots. Well, just a little quick update. At 10 o'clock, Miguel, our driver, is another blessing from God, and he's coming down the road, and he's going to take us and show us our new home. Yep, today I'm believing we're going to find it, because I'm a nester. I like home. I like being home. I need a place to call my own. So, once again, it's all God's timing. It's all up to God. And we're believing that it's all Him, because He wants the best for us. And He knows exactly what we need in this land. I cannot tell you how much the dogs are absolutely loving it here. They're really doing well. Huh, Argo? Argo! Say hello! Say hi, Sophie! Hi, Sophie! Sophie goes down those spiral staircases like she was made for them. She just up and down, up and down, up and down. Me, not so much. And Argo has a little bit of, has some issues with them, but Brian doesn't, Sophie doesn't. So, well, we love you, God loves you, and we will keep you informed of what happens today. And just believing that our new home is available and ready, and we can move in a couple of days. We gotta find it first, but it's there. All right, talk to you later. Love you all. Bye-bye.